everyone, this is our YouTube video. We're currently in Palm Jumeirah, and as you can see, this is the view of the marina. As you can see, the sun is slowly setting, and you've got yachts as well, things like that. It's amazing. And just like the previous videos I've done, whenever you look at a setting, think about the powerful adjectives you can use to describe it, from the sun to the yachts to the skyscrapers. As you may see in the distance, the Dubai Eye, and then you see all these skyscrapers as well. In terms of what you can hear music, you can hear people laughing, giggling and enjoying their time as well.